In this video, we will show you how to change a standard UPVC window spag handle to a From the Anvil window spag handle. A spag handles drive a series of locks around the window. Step 1. Carefully remove the screw cap using a knife or thin flat head screwdriver. Step 2. Open the handle and remove the bottom screw, then move the handle to the close position and remove the top screw. The handle should now come straight off the window, making sure the spindle is still attached to the handle. Step 3. Place the new From the Anvil handle onto the window, making sure it is in the closed position. Step 4. Fix the top screw in place and move the handle into the open position and fix the bottom screw into place. Step 5. Make sure everything is working correctly. There are many different choices of From the Anvil window spag handles, from a more traditional look to a contemporary look. To see our full range, visit www.fromtheanvil.co.uk.